This is Jared with Second Chance K9, working here with Rigby. We've been playing a little tug this morning. He's been wrestling there with Zero, and now we're gonna do a little bite sleeve work. Sit. Hey, sit. That's why I said we need to practice on his longevity on the sits and the downs. There you go. See, as soon as you move, he's up and out of there. So this is something that y'all need to continue practicing at home is the longevities and his downs and his sits. Sit. Rigby, sit. Let me move now. See a little flinch. He's anticipating. Rigby, get it. Try to work him around the fence. It's good. He's not letting himself back in. Pulling me out of the corner here. You're not letting me back him in. Keeps turning to the open space. That's good. That bike's not as deep as I like it, so I'll try to get it again. But he's not letting go. Very tight. Good boy, Richard. Good boy. Oh, this is. Good boy, Rigby. Good job. Hey, out. Sit. Sit. Good boy, Rigby.